What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, I'm gonna talk to you about the 5 things you absolutely need for your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the rear of the motorcycle and then we're gonna work our way to the front. So the first thing I wanna show y'all is I'm running Tab Performance 50 cal slip-on exhaust, and these things with the zombie baffles, man, are absolutely insane. Let me tell you, they are loud, they look good, they're great performing exhaust. I just love the way they look, man. I've got the flat, straight cut. I didn't get the slash cut tips, and I absolutely love the way they look. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give you just a little bit of audio of them, so hopefully you can hear it, but I've got a lapel mic on, so we're gonna try it and see what it does. So that there, man, is just, I hope it came out great on the audio, but they're freaking loud. I love them, absolutely love them, man. So if you want, go check out Tab Performance, man. They've got some great stuff. They've also got handlebars. We did an install video on some Folsom handlebars from Tab Performance on my brother-in-law's bike, the 2020 Street Glide. So go check that video out if you're interested in the handlebars. They've got some great products, man. So check them out. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run over here to the seat. So this, kinfolk, is Bad BOYZ Cycles. It is a low profile, man, seat that has some great gel technology into it along with some foam. This is their Freedom series. The stitching is just amazing. If you haven't seen the unboxing video of that stuff, man, go check it out on the channel. The seat's just, it's incredible. So it took a long time for me to get a seat. So when I found this one, thanks to my buddy 2147 crew, he's also running the same seat, and that's where I actually got to sit on one. Phenomenal, man. He's put tons of miles on his seat. I've actually got 407 miles as of after I did another trip, right? So before that, I had almost 600 miles when I first got the seat. I put on 600 and then another 400 up till now. So that's already 1,000 miles on this seat, man. And right out the box, it's absolutely amazing. So to me, it was already soft. Like, it wasn't really stiff like most seats you got to break in, man, that has the gel and all that stuff. This one here out of the box, like I said in my install video, was just already absolutely comfortable. So, and it's got the high rise back. I also got the backrest with it as well, which comes with a great pocket, man, for your pillion rider. So that's got that into there. Then the pillion seat is wider than their other ones, and then it's going to be the widest that they have there for your pillion rider. So the wife's been on it for a little bit. She hasn't rode it quite a whole lot just yet, but when she puts some more miles on it, we're going to get her input on the passenger seat as well. So, but look, you go to Bad BOYZ Cycles, they got different series of seats. Again, this one's the Freedom series. So if you go to Bad BOYZ Cycles, man, you can use my discount code KNUCKLESTV10. It'll give you 10% off your purchase. My next purchase from them is going to be the trunk pad. So I'm going to get the trunk pad to match the seat itself, man. It's just going to be all one. It's going to look so amazing. So it's all going to flow together. So make sure you go check them out. Their link will be down below again, and my discount code KNUCKLESTV10, man. So go check them out, badboyzcycles.com. All right. So the next thing what we're going to move to is, I know y'all have seen this if you've been watching my channel, man. This here is one of the coolest things I've ever put on this motorcycle, right? So this here is going to be RBW Skull. So if you go to their website, rbwskull.com, it is a 5-position switch that gives you 5 different riding modes for your Harley-Davidson, man. First and only of its kind right there. And let me tell you something, that thing makes a big difference. You've got rain mode, so if you click it all the way over, you've got rain mode, city mode, normal, sport, and then there's anarchy mode. And anarchy mode is just balls to the wall insane. It's so freaking cool, man. You can go check out my other videos. I've done installs with this here on the Road Glide. I've also done installs with it on the brother-in-law Street Glide. He's running one as well. And they've actually sent me some new stuff, so I'm gonna get into that video pretty soon, man, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. They've got some great quality stuff. This stuff here is just, it's plug and play, super simple, but instant power, man. It gives you your instant torque and power. You can't even compare it to anything else that's out there, right? Because again, this is the only thing that's out there that does this for your Harley-Davidson. So as long as you have the fly-by-wire system or ride-by-wire system, then you can use this RBW Skull. It's out of Italy, man, and Mr. Sal, he's an amazing guy. Talk to him all the time. Super cool, and he'll answer any questions you have about the product. So make sure you go check him out, rbwskull.com. Use my discount code KTV, and you'll get an amazing discount off of that, man. So check them out. So that's another thing, because again, if you want to have a lot of fun, this thing here will do it for you. So then once we move to the front of the bike, man, this here is going to be my windscreen, right? So my windscreen is from Freedom Shields. So if you go to freedomshields.net, check them out. Check out everybody's Instagram and Facebook pages, but Freedom Shields, man, they make an amazing windshield for your Harley-Davidson and Indian as well. So if you want to go check them out, they do awesome work. They also do laser engraving. So this here, I got with Mr. John, man, and asked him about the laser engraving, and I ended up having them doing a laser engrave on my windshield of my logo, and it came out super killer. So it's so cool, man. The windshields are super thick. They're made high quality. You've got different tints you can get, different sizes, of course. So you can always get with them and ask them if you have any questions. You can definitely get with them and they'll answer any questions that you have. Freedomshields.net. If you use my discount code KNUCKLESTV, all one word, you'll also get 10% off of this, man, off of your purchase. So it's super cool, man. I mean, they look great. They do what they do. I mean, they do what they say they're gonna do, right? The wind buffering is completely gone off of my helmet, and it just protects not only myself, but it also protects Mello back there when she's riding in the back. So you get a lot of protection with these windshields, man, and just amazing quality. So they fit perfect on the bikes. So make sure you go check them out, freedomshields.net. Again, use my discount code KNUCKLESTV, all one word, and you'll get 10% off of your purchase, man. So check them out and let them know Knuckles sent you as well. Then the final thing, these Baja Design headlights and the KNUCKLEZ Moto mounting brackets, man. So this whole mounting kit, this whole kit comes from KNUCKLEZ Moto, right? But the lights themselves are Baja Design headlights or lights. They are freaking killer, man. They're so cool, super bright. I went with the amber and the clear. You can go clear, you can go amber, amber. You can do actually anything you want to do. And then the cool thing also is that if you put it in accessories mode, you actually got some LEDs in the background behind it that light up. But now they're actually offering different colored LEDs back there in the background. So they've got blue, red, green, I think even purple. I mean, it's just so many options available to you now, man. So it's really cool. Again, then the headlights themselves, let me turn them on. I mean, just, it lights up the night. Absolutely lights the night up, man. There's no way you will ever have any issues seeing at nighttime anymore. Again, man, KNUCKLEZ Moto sells the whole kit. They also make brackets. I have the LP6 as far as the headlights. They're called the LP6. They also make a S1, which is just a block that they use for turn signals, right? And KNUCKLEZ Moto makes the mounting bracket and the wiring harness for the turn signals. And let me tell you, man, they're super cool. They look dope. You can get amber, you can get the clears. So they make great product, man. So make sure you check them out. Go to KNUCKLEZMoto.com. They make them for all the bike models, man, all the models. So go check them out. And they're actually working on stuff for Indian as well. So check them out. So again, man, KNUCKLEZ Moto, my next purchase is going to be the S1s for the turn signals. And then even the headlights as well, man, they come all plug and play. It is super simple to install these things. Check out the video for the install. All the videos, man, you can look at my channel. I've got install videos for everything that I put on this bike. So make sure you give them a follow, man. Go check them out. Let them know Knuckles sent you if you do go to their Instagram or the Facebook page, because I love everything that they're doing over there at KNUCKLEZ Moto, man. So that's it, kinfolk. Look, if you ever want any kind of advice on anything that I have on my bike, right, and you have any questions about anything, let me know. send it to me in a message over on Instagram. Go give me a follow on Instagram at KNUCKLESTV. And like I said, if you got any questions about anything I have on the motorcycle, let me know. And then go check out all the companies here as well. Go check out Freedom Shields at freedomshields.net, Cali Rays Moto at caliraysmoto.com, RBW Skull at rbwskull.com, Bad Boys Cycles at badboycycles.com, and then Tab Performance at tabperformance.com. So check out everybody on Instagram and their Facebook, and then that's it, man. So I hope if you do get some stuff, if you get any of this stuff, man, because you seen my video, tag me in it. Tag me in it in a picture on Instagram. I would love to see this stuff on your motorcycles. So let me know, hit me up, and then until next time, until next install, or until next adventure, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.